He's almost crying.
Yeah, he's so skinny. I think maybe he don't wanna go. Nah, he doesn't want to go. He fell down how many times? Don't pointed. That's it. He got injured. How skinny he is then. So look at that. So the wave so strong. See, they're already too far away. Oh my god.
The waves are a little bit
Strong.
bad.
No, it's cool.
So it's so windy.
No, it's nice. If you wanna go over there, it was so fun. See, look at that wave. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, see?
So
Look.
power.
See? Dumar. It's strong wind like that. Very dangerous for the kids. Oh shit, is it? See the two guys there, he was so enjoying the sun. Okay. You wanna go?